The new Viadesk update is live. Let's take a look together on the main new features. Chatting with each other has become even more interactive and efficient with this update. From now on, you have the possibility to respond with a thumbs up or down. Archive chats. Would you like a better overview of your chat history? Then it's good to know that from now on, you can safely archive your chats. You simply hide them from the overview without permanently deleting. Export chats. Sometimes you may want to share a conversation with someone who is not in the chat. How about by sending them a PDF of the conversation? Simply export and send by email. Indicate your online status. Sometimes you just want to keep working and not be disturbed, so it's handy that you can indicate in the chat whether you are on or offline or don't want to be disturbed. Adjust group image. Now you can differentiate between various group chats even better by adding images. Practical and fun at the same time. New Coursepath-widget. For those who didn't know this yet, Coursepath is our successful learning management system that integrates seamlessly with your Viadesk platform. If you use both solutions, the renewed Coursepath-widget in Viadesk shows you your recent courses and lets you navigate directly to them. It is also possible to add the widget to your personal starting page or to any group. How does it work? Simply add the API key in the setup menu and you're done. Thanks for watching the video and see you next update.